Hi everyone, welcome to the YOGIC LORE Channel. Today we'll be doing a morning yoga sequence. This sequence will help you stretch deeply, so it will definitely work on your flexibility. It is suitable for intermediate level students, but if you're a beginner or you have just started the practice, you can still try it out. And if you feel that any posture is difficult for you, then you can skip that, just relax at that time, or you can repeat the previous one. This is the morning flow, so I'll recommend you to do it empty stomach. It does have some postures which will definitely test your strength. So let's start with the practice. Do leave your feedback in the comments after you're done with the flow. Kneel down, sit in diamond pose facing the shorter edge of the mat, palms on your knees. Straighten your back here. Now widen the gap between your knees, coming in wide-legged child's pose. Bending forward, forehead on the mat, arms extending in front of you, palms relaxing on the floor. Be here for few seconds with normal breath. Allow your body and arms to stretch. Let's gather energy for the entire session. Now slowly walk your hands back, joining your knees, coming in tabletop pose. Let's begin with cat and cow. Arch your back down, look up as you inhale. Then arch your back towards the roof, bringing your chin to touch your chest as you exhale. Repeat it 3 more times, warming up your spine. Arch your back down as you inhale. Then arch your back up towards the roof as you exhale. Now curl your toes under and rise up in downward V shape or downward dog. You can move your heels up and down to stretch your hamstrings. Straighten your spine, pushing your chest closer towards your thighs. Allow the posture to work on you. Slowly walk your feet towards your hands, coming in dangling pose. Loosen up your arms here. Now slowly rise up and stand straight. Give support to your lower back with both the hands on the either side and push your pelvis forward, arching your back. Now slowly bend forward, arms coming down towards the mat. Inhale, rise up half, palms pressing towards your knees. Then exhale and full forward bend. As you're here, palms pressing down on the mat, take your feet back in plank pose. Entire body straight, toes and palms pressing down. Bend your knees, come down onto your stomach, toes pointing towards back, palms pressing down, rise up in cobra pose. Elbows pressing towards your waist. Coming back down on the mat. Now rise up fully with elbows straight this time into seal posture. Chin parallel to the floor, look in front. Feel the compression in the lower back. Look up, chin pointing up, allowing your entire body to stretch. Then completely come down and rise up in tabletop first and then into downward dog. Pressing your chest closer towards your thighs, straightening your back here. This time walk your hands towards your feet, towards the back of the mat. Then slowly rise up and stand straight. Step the right foot forward. Coming in warrior 1, bend your right knee. Join your palms above your head and look up. Back foot at 45-degree angle. Check that both the heels are in one straight line. Bringing your palms down towards your chest, straightening the right knee. Stepping the right foot back, bringing both the feet together. Now step the left foot forward, right foot at 45-degree angle. Bend the left knee, join your palms above your head, look up. In warrior 1. Bringing hands down. Step the left foot back, straighten the left knee first, coming at the back of the mat. Let's repeat warrior 1 once again. Step the right foot forward again, left foot 45-degree, bend the right knee, join your palms above your head. Back in warrior 1. On the right side, look up. Bringing palms down, straightening the right knee. Transitioning into pyramid pose, hands at your waist and bend forward. Bringing forehead closer to the right knee. Fingertips touching down on the mat on either side of the foot. Back foot remains at 45-degree itself. Step the back foot forward a little, join your palms towards your chest, raising the left foot parallel to the floor, coming in warrior 3. Entire body in one straight line, balance here. Slowly bring the left foot down, both the feet together, palms joined. Inhale, raise your arms up and join them. Bend forward completely, fingertips on the mat. Halfway rise up, inhale, exhale, bend forward again. Stepping the feet back, coming in downward dog. Again, walk your hands back towards the back of the mat, rise up and stand straight. Step the left foot forward, coming in warrior 1, bend the left knee, join your palms above your head, back foot remains at 45-degree angle. Look up. Palms down, straighten the left knee. Hands at your waist, bend forward in pyramid pose. Forehead closer to the left knee. Back foot remains at 45-degree, fingertips on the either side of the foot. Step the right foot a little forward, balancing on the left foot, raising the right leg up, coming in warrior 3, palms joined. Try to bring entire body in one straight line, balance here. Feet down, both the feet together at the top of the mat, palms joined. Stand straight. Inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale as you bend forward. From here, squat down into Garland pose. Join your palms, elbows pressing against the knee, toes pointing towards the corners of the mat. Close your eyes here. Now sit and stretch your legs in front of you. Right foot crossing over the left leg. Wrap your left arm around the right knee. Right hand towards back. Spinal twist, looking at the wall behind you. Back to center. Right foot just beside the left thigh. Raise your arms up. Coming into head to knee pose, bending forward. Forehead closer to the left knee. Try to catch your left ankle or your left foot wherever your hand reaches. Walk your hands back, rise up, repeating both the poses onto the other side. Left foot crossing over the right leg. Right arm wrapping around the left knee. Left palm towards back, look over your left shoulder. Back to center, left foot beside right thigh. Raise your arms up, bending forward in head to knee. Catch your right ankle or your right foot. Forehead coming closer to the right knee. Walk your hands back, both the legs in front of you. Bend them and lie down slowly with the help of your elbows onto your back. Bend both the knees, bringing them closer to the chest and rolling from one side to another. Hold your knees tightly, relaxing our back as we roll. Now slowly release, coming down in Savasana. Your toes pointing out, relaxing your legs, palms facing the roof. Arms also relaxed on the mat. Close your eyes here. Allow healing energy from the earth enter your entire body, relaxing every part. Be here for as long as you feel like. Thank you for joining in for this quick morning yoga sequence. I hope you liked this fast-paced sequence. Do let me know in the comments below if you want similar sequences to be uploaded in future. I'll see you soon with another video next week.